Hello everybody, this is Coach Julio. So today I want to discuss an underreported yet very important topic, and that is elder abuse. The information I'm going to share with you comes from the CDC and also the National Council on Aging. I'm going to provide you some statistics, teach you what the signs of elder abuse are, and that's from physical, financial, and emotional. And I'm also will be sharing with you how to report it, and last and not least, how we can prevent it. So let me jump right into it. So what is elder abuse? I'm going to read to you some information from the National Council on Aging. And again, you can learn more about it by visiting their website. Just follow the link. So elder abuse includes physical abuse, emotional abuse, sexual abuse, exploitation, neglect, and abandonment. Perpetrators include children, other family members, and spouses, as well as staff at nursing homes, assisted living, and other facilities. So physical abuse means inflicting physical pain or injury upon an older adult. Emotional abuse means verbal assault, threats of abuse, harassment, or intimidation. Willful deprivation means denying an older adult medication, medical care, shelter, food, a therapeutic device, or other physical assistance, and exposing that person to the risk of physical, mental, or emotional harm, except when the older, competent adult has expressed a desire to go without such care. And then financial exploitation means the misuse or withholding of an older adult's resources by another. So again, you can learn more about the types of abuse from the National Center on Elder Abuse, NCEA, and the website link is right on the bottom of this screen. So how big is the problem? I'm going to read to you from the Center for Disease Control website, and the link is in the bottom of the screen. And again, you can learn more by visiting the website. So how big is the problem? Elder abuse is a serious problem in the United States. The available information is an underestimate of the problem because the number of non-fatal injuries is limited to older adults who are treated in emergency departments. The information doesn't include those treated by other providers or those that do not need or do not seek treatment. Additionally, many cases are not reported because elders are afraid or unable to tell police, friends, or family about the violence. Victims have decided whether to tell someone they are being hurt or continue being abused by someone they depend upon or care for deeply. So I'm going to again just read another snippet from this. I think it's very important. Elder abuse is common. Abuse, including neglect and exploitation, is experienced about 1 in 10 people age 60 and older who live at home. From 2002 to 2016, more than 643,000 older adults were treated in the emergency department for non-fatal assaults, and over 19,000 homicides occurred. So again, this information is available at the CDC website. The link is at the bottom of the screen, and it's just important for me and for us to be aware of the facts and statistics regarding elder abuse. So how does a person make a elder abuse report? If an older adult is in immediate life-threatening danger, you want to call 911. Anyone who suspects that an older adult is being mistreated should contact a local adult protective services offices, long-term care ombudsman, or police. I'm also going to provide here a phone number, which is 1-800-677-1116, and that goes directly to the Elder Care Locator. Website is on the bottom of the screen, and there they can also provide you with that information. The National Council on Aging also has a page, which it's on the bottom of the screen, that can also provide you with other hotlines. Now I'm going to share some information from the CDC and how we can prevent elder abuse. Listen to older adults and their caregivers to understand their challenges and provide support. Of course, report abuse or suspected abuse to local adult protective services or long-term care ombudsman or the police. As I had earlier in the video, you can also call 1-800-677-1116 to get you started. Educate oneself and others about how to recognize and report elder abuse, and encourage and assist persons, either caregivers or older adults, having problems with drug or alcohol abuse and getting help. I think this is another important point I want to put in here. Provide overburdened caregivers with support such as help from friends, family, or local relief care groups, adult daycare programs, counseling outlets intended to promote emotional well-being. The older adult population is growing faster in the U.S. than our younger population. Many older adults require care and are vulnerable to violence perpetrated by a caregiver or someone they trust. More research is needed to uncover the cause for and solutions to violence against older adults, but hopefully you find this video helpful, and together we can address and prevent elder abuse. Please post your comments, and thank you.